in the heart of a sunny meadow. Andy the ant was busy collecting crumbs for his colony. But as he carried a crumb bigger than himself, a soft chirping sound caught his attention. Andy carefully approached the frightened bird. "Are you okay?" he asked. The little bird, Tweetie, explained that she had fallen from her nest high in the oak tree. Determined to help, Andy led Tweetie to the base of the tree, but a fast-flowing stream blocked their path. "Don't worry," Andy said with a smile. "I have an idea." As they crossed the stream, a shadow fell over them. A slithering snake blocked their way, its golden eyes gleaming. Andy thought quickly. Fly up and distract it. With Andy's clever plan, they managed to escape the snake. Soon they stood at the base of the oak tree. Andy looked up at the nest high above and said, "Let's climb together." After a long climb, Andy and Tweetie reached the nest. Tweetie's mother chirped joyfully and nuzzled her baby. "Thank you, Andy," Tweetie said, her eyes shining. Back at the colony, Andy told his friends about the adventure. They all cheered for their brave little hero. From then on, Andy and Tweetie remained best friends, proving that even the smallest creatures can do big things.